Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo ang tamang proseso ng pag-solve sa value ng x and y in the equation x raised to y is equal to y raised to x. Unang-una ang gagawin natin, let y is equal to something na number constant, let's say c, then multiply natin sa x. So, c times x. Then, ang value na ito, itong term na to, y, lahat ng makikita natin sa equation na to is substitute natin ang c times x. So, x raised to cx is equal to cx raised to x. Pwede natin ayusin ang equation na xc plus parenthesis raised to x is equal to cx plus parenthesis x. Ngayon, ang sunod natin gagawin, i-multiply sila both side by yung exponent, i-multiply natin sa reciprocal ng x, which is 1 over x. So, in that case, pwede natin i-divide out yung x and 1 over x, leaving behind x raised to c is equal to cx. Ngayon is i-divide natin both side by x. So, divide out x, leaving behind x raised to c divided by x is equal to c. So, ang goal natin dito is mahanap yung value ng x in terms of c, in terms of that number. So, notice that the denominator of x raised to c is x raised to 1. So, pwede natin siyang i-taas para maging multiplication. So, x raised to c times x, not 1 but negative, is equal to c. Ngayon, sa multiplication of power, sa law of integration, sa law of exponent, pwede natin i-add yung exponent kung parehas yung bases. Since parehas yung base, i-add natin c plus negative 1 is equal to c minus 1. Ayan. Ayan yung ano natin. So, i-isolate natin si x by multiplying both sides sa exponent ng reciprocal of c minus 1. Ito rin. 1 over c minus 1. So, this term divide out, then leaving behind x is equal to c raised to 1 over c minus 1. So, that's it. Yan yung value ng x. So, sunod, kunin natin yung value ng y. So, balik tayo dito sa equation na to. I-solve natin si y by substituting the value of x dito. Ngayon, dahil nakuha na natin yung value ng x, substitute natin dito. So, y is equal to c times etong, so, c raised to 1 over c minus 1. So, sabi ko nga kanina, multiplying powers, allow tayo na mag-add ng exponent kapag pares yung base. So, y is equal to c. Yan yung base natin c. Raised to 1, kasi may 1 exponent dito, plus 1 over c minus 1. So 1 plus 1 over c minus 1, pwede nating i-multiply to, c minus 1 dito. So, c minus 1 times 1 is c minus 1. Tapos, i-add natin to dito. So, c minus 1 plus 1, the 1 is subtracted. Magiging na siyang 0. Then, leaving behind c divided by c minus 1. So, ayan. Yan na po yung values ng y and x. So, hindi pa yan yung initial pa lang yan. So, magpipili tayo ng number sa c na let's say 2. Sabihin natin 2 c. So, kapag si x, sinubstitute natin yung 2 sa c. So, 1 over 2 minus 1. X will be 1 over 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. Yan. Then, kapag si y naman, 2, ito, raised to 2 over 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 over 1 is 2. Then, 2 squared is equal to 4. So, yan yung pinakaunang basic na answer dito sa equation na to. So, ang magiging ano niya is 2 kasi x is 2, y is 4. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 4 kasi y squared. Oo nga naman, 2 raised to 4 is 16 and 4 squared is 16. So, pwede po ba siya sa ibang number? Pwede. Sabihin natin na 3. Let's say c is equal to 3. So, substitute natin sa x. So, 3 raised to 1 over 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to 1 half or the square root of 3. Then, yung y naman is equal to 3 raised to 3 over 3 minus 1. So, leaving behind 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, or the square root of 3 squared, 3 cubed is 27.